Is your industrial operation struggling with dust and particulate emissions? Griffin Filters Jet-Aire Pulse. Jet Baghouse dust collectors offer a powerful and effective solution for a wide range of solids processing and product recovery needs. Whether it's a standalone unit or a modular build for unlimited airflow, our units are built to last. Built with rugged construction and efficient design, Jet-Aire dust collectors minimize downtime and maximize long-term savings. Featuring pulse technology for continuous filtration, adjustable air consumption, and easy topside bag access with maintenance platform. Designed for minimal maintenance, Griffin's Pulse Jet Baghouses offer easy bag replacement and a Magnehelic gauge to monitor performance. These features enable easy and quick servicing. From standard models to fully customized solutions, Griffin Filters can design a Jet-Aire dust collector to meet your exact specifications. Contact us today at griffinfilters.com to learn more and request a quote. For further information, visit our website, griffinfilters.com, or call us 1-315-451-5300.